Once again, very good morning and welcome to the channel. This is Manish Yadav, your English teacher. And today in this video, we are going to explain the remaining portion of Silk Road. And this is the paragraph where we have to start from. The cave had a single window beside which I had taken up position so that I could see the pages of my notebook. The narrator, Nick Middleton, was staying at a cafe. You know cafe? And it had a single window. There was a single window in the cafe beside which he had taken his position. He sat by the window so that he could see the pages clearly. You know, if light, sufficient light would not be available, we can't, make it visible clearly. So he sat by the window to make it visible and so that he would read out every font clearly. I had also brought a novel with me to help pass the time. And he had also a novel, book of novel. Novel is the book which is, read out in the vacant time to pass our times. So he had a novel and he took it to pass his time whenever he feels boredom. Now, Narbu saw my book when he came in and asked a gesture if he could sit opposite me at my rickety table. Rickety means unstable. Narbu saw my book. You know, the Chinese person who was belonging to Tibet. He saw his book and required to take a position in front of him. And you English? He asked, you English? Are you an Englishman? He inquired. After he had ordered tea and he ordered a cup of tea, afterward he asked me or he wanted to know about me if I am an Englishman. I told him I was, and I replied affirmatively. I was an Englishman, so that I told him that yes, I am an Englishman, and we struck up a conversation. And we began to make conversation with each other. We had conversation. We began to communicate with each other. I think he was from those parts because he was wearing a wind cheater and metal-rimmed spectacle of a Western style. And as I gazed, as I premonitized, he was belonging to those parts because he was wearing a wind cheater, a sweater, and metal-rimmed spectacles of a Western style. And the spectacle, the glass he was wearing was Western style. He was Tibetan and he was belonging to Tibet. He told me, but worked in Beijing at the Chinese Academy of Social Sciences. But he was a worker of Beijing at China. It was an academy of social science. In the Institute of Ethnic Literature, and I assumed he was on some part of field work. And as I thought, he had come there for, work purposes of his company's field work. According to me, narrator को क्या लगता है कि वो अपने इंस्टीट्यूशन के किसी काम से फील्ड वर्क के लिए वहाँ गया था. He could not think that he had also come for making or completing his Quora. उसे इस चीज़ का अंदाज़ा नहीं हो पाया कि ये भी कोरा ही कंप्लीट करने आया है. But what happens next? Yes and no, he said. I have come to do the Quora. When he, told him about completing his Quora, his heart was jumped. Narrator was very excited after listening that he had also come to complete his Quora because he got a company of Narbu. उसे नार्बू की कंपनी मिलती है. And as you know, there was nobody in that season to complete Quora. And Quora is the process which is seasonal. It can't be completed or accomplished throughout the year every time. So he was very happy after getting a company of that person, Narbu. Narbu had been writing academic papers about the Kailash Kora and its importance in various works of Buddhist literature of many years. And what was the hobby or the profession? It was not profession, but it was his hobby. Narbu used to write about the process of Kora. That what is the process, what is the procedure to complete the Kora, as well as he also wrote about the importance in various works of Buddhists. You know, he was publishing, writing articles about the procedure of Kora and its importance. What may be the importance of completing a Kora? As you know, we worship, we visit temples, we visit holy places. What is the purpose and importance of those works? Because of, you know, haphazard and disbalance in our mind. We believe that if we become individual, if we worship to the God visiting temples, our mind would be centralized and we would get peace in our life, so that we do such things and jobs. So he wrote about the importance of completing Kora, and he told me, but he had never actually done it himself. But he had never completed, made a Kora in his life. Previously, he wrote about this process, the importance of completing Kora, but he had never completed himself. किसी चीज़ के बारे में हम लिखते हों, पढ़ते हों, दूसरों को बताते हों, लेकिन वो काम कभी किए न हो. ठीक है, सेम हैपेंड विद Narbu. So this time he was curious to complete his Kora himself. When the time came for me to tell him what brought me to Darchen, his eyes lit up. And when I introduced myself, why I have come here, his eyes was, lit up. He was very happy after knowing about me and the reason cause of I went there. मैं वहाँ क्यों गया था? जैसे मैंने उसको बताया, वो भी बहुत खुश हुआ, because he also got a company. So they both got a company of each other. दोनों एक दूसरे की कंपनी पाकर बहुत खुश होते हैं, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं somewhere they were alone. दोनों अपने आप में क्या थे? Alone थे, अकेले थे. And they were feeling solitude, solitary. अकेलापन महसूस कर रहे थे. And two academics who have escaped from the library. Now two literate or educated people escaped from their libraries. दोनों पढ़े लिखे इंसान थे. They should have been at academic places in the library. पढ़े लिखे लोगों की जगह कहाँ होती है? What is the place of educated people? Library, schools, institutions. But two literate peoples went for making Kora. दो पढ़े लिखे लोग इंडिविजुअलिटी में विश्वास करके कोरा कंप्लीट करने गए. And perhaps my positive thinking strategy was working after all. And now it was, premonitizing about the positive results of my positive thinking. अब मुझे इस चीज़ का अंदाज़ा लग रहा था कि जो मेरी स्ट्रैटेजी थी पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग की, इट वाज वर्किंग आफ्टर ऑल. उसके पहले तो सब कुछ निगेटिव हो रहा था उसके साथ, लेकिन अब क्या है, उसको कंपनी मिल गई है. एंड इट वाज अ लकीएस्ट चार्म फॉर द नरेटर. और ये उसके लिए बहुत ही सुनहरा पल है, उसके लिए बहुत ही खुशनुमा माहौल हो गया है कि वो एक कंपनी और एक आदमी पा गया है जिसकी वजह से अब वो अकेला नहीं है. सो ही वॉज फीलिंग वेरी बेटर. नाउ माई इनिशियल रिलीफ एट मीटिंग नारबू, एंड आई फेल्ट रिलीव्ड मीटिंग नारबू. नारबू से मिलकर मैं बहुत खुश था. हु वॉज ऑल्सो स्टेइंग इन द गेस्ट हाउस, एंड ही वॉज ऑल्सो स्टेइंग इन द सेम गेस्ट हाउस वेयर आई वॉज स्टेइंग. जहाँ मैं ठहरा था वहीं नारबू भी ठहरा था. एंड was tempered by the realization that he was almost as ill-equipped as I was for the pilgrimage. And as I thought, we both were ill-equipped. You know, we had no experience about कोरा because we had never made or accomplished a कोरा before. इसके पहले मैंने या उसने कभी कोरा नहीं किया था, तो हम दोनों कहीं ना कहीं बेगिनर थे, दोनों नए थे. And he kept telling me how fat he was and how hard it was going to be. And Narbo, his physical structure, appearance, he was very fatty person. बहुत मोटा था. His stomach was tummy. Have you seen stripes? Suppose that is there any person at LPM who is very fatty?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen them?
Yes, sir.
Just like them. Narbu's fat, stomach was tummy. Okay, in this appearance. And it was very harder and harder for him to climb upward, okay, to the altitude. ऊंचाई पर चढ़ना उसके लिए बहुत ही क्या था, मुश्किल था. थोड़ा सा उसका पेट बहुत निकल गया था. And he was not feeling better and comfortable while he move and walk. चलते समय, टहलते समय वो बहुत अच्छा फील नहीं कर पा रहा था. Now, very high up, he felt that this is very high. ये बहुत ऊंचा है and it is impossible for me. I couldn't think about that. मैं सोच भी नहीं सकता कि मैं complete कर लूँगा. But he was determined to make his कोरा. लेकिन उसको कहीं ना कहीं विश्वास था. उसने एक दृढ़ या फिर firm dedication and decision he has taken that I have to make कोरा today. मुझे कोरा करना ही करना है. और जब हौसले हों तो फिर उड़ान भरने में आसानी होती है. ठीक है. Now he kept reminding me so tiresome to walk, and frequently he was reminding me that I am so tiresome to walk. I can't walk freely or comfortably. मैं थोड़ा सा चल नहीं पा रहा हूँ, मुझे प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. Because he was too fatty, बहुत मोटा था. And he was not really a practicing Buddhist. And he was not a practicing Buddhist means he did not work harder because he was belonging and working in the social science institution. और स्कूल में बहुत हार्ड वर्क नहीं होता है, only smart work होता है. Only people does their work smartly with the beauty of their brain, not physically. अब क्या है, चेयर पे बैठ जाना. We have to sit in the chair in the vacant time. Okay, we have to write something. So doing hard work leads to good health. जब हम हार्ड वर्क करते हैं फिजिकली तो हमारा हेल्थ अच्छा होता है. अभी आप 3 घंटे बैठे रहिए. It's a scientific phenomena of our physical structure that our cholesterol level would be increasing if we sit for 3 hours constantly. अगर हम 3 घंटे लगातार बैठते हैं तो जो हमारा कोलेस्ट्रॉल लेवल होता है वो बढ़ने लगता है. इसलिए we must walk after 2 hours, half an hour. हमें आधे घंटे 1 घंटे के बाद टहलना चाहिए. So he was very fatty and it transpired. I could think, मुझे ऐसा लगा, it seemed to me that he had enthusiasm and he was of course Tibetan. But he was, strictly determined. Enthusiastically he was determined. उसके अंदर एक हौसला था कि उसे कंप्लीट करना है. क्या? कोरा. Although I had originally envisaged making the trek in the company of devout believers, on reflection I decided that perhaps Narbo would turn out to be the ideal company. Although I had originally envisaged making the trek in the company of devout believers, I was in the company of a devotee, means who believed in the God. I was the company of that person who was a good believer or true believer in God. He was not an atheist. वो एक नास्तिक नहीं था. वो कैसा था? आस्तिक था. Who believe in God. On reflection, I decided that perhaps Narbu turned out to be ideal companion, and I could premonitize about Narbu that he would be a good company for me, an ideal company for me. But he was not like that. He was a fatty person. वो ऐसा नहीं था जो मुझे who could cooperate me well, जो मुझे अच्छी तरह cooperate कर सके. He was opposite as I thought. He suggested to hire some yaks to carry our luggage. He could not carry his own luggage. वो अपना खुद का लगेज भी नहीं लेकर चल सकता था. So he suggested to hire yaks. Yaks देखा है? It is a kind of animal. Look like कैसे दिखते हैं? Monkey. Bullock. सिंग होता है ना, हॉर्न होता है उनके बड़े बड़े. हाँ. Which I interpreted as a good sign, and I was agree. मुझे भी अच्छा लगा that we must hire yaks to carry our luggage, and had no intention of prostrating himself all round the mountain. It means prostrating, by bending and lying on the ground. People are affectionate to make and complete a procedure about, a ritual process like Kora, making around the temple के किनारे या चारों तरफ घूमना. कुछ लोग लेट करके कंप्लीट करते हैं. आप देखते होंगे some people do the Kora or this process by lying on the ground. Okay, they start at the point where they lie their head. जैसे यहाँ से यहाँ तक उसकी शरीर है तो यहाँ पे आकर फिर सिर आता है. यहाँ से फिर स्टार्ट करेंगे यहाँ, फिर यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे यहाँ, ऐसे. ठीक है. हाँ, नाप करके दे मेजर. So this is very hard process and procedure to complete Kora, and it is impossible. It was impossible for that, fatty man. ठीक है. उस टमी मैन के लिए ये काफी मुश्किल था. इतना बड़ा पेट था. He had a big stomach. How did he lie? Okay, yeah, how did he lie facing downwards? He would be hanging with the support of his stomach.
कर देगा तो पक्ष तुझे पे करेगा पेट उसका.
Maybe it would be busted out. हो सकता है पेट ही फट जाए. No, not possible. He cried. No. It is impossible for me. I can't prostrate. मैं इस तरह से नहीं कर सकता. And collapsing across the table in hysterical laughter, and he laughed loudly. बहुत जोर से हंसा और हंसकर बोला कि नहीं मेरे बस का ये नहीं है. मैं ऐसे लेट कर I would not think about that process. मैं उसके बारे में सोच भी नहीं सकता कि मैं लेट करके अभी मैं खड़े कर लूँ. This is enough for me. इतने पे ही भगवान खुश हो जाएंगे. ठीक है. Because he knows about my position and gesture. मेरे बारे में जानते हैं वो अच्छी तरह से. Now, it was not his style, and anyway, his tummy was too big. Finally, he says that it was not his style. Means it was not the mannerism or the way of his talking, but also his tummy was too big. उसका पेट बहुत ही बड़ा था. That's it.